Obert Mpofu has openly refused to obey President Emmerson Mnangagwa's directive to step aside for his replacement, Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Mutenda. Sabena mashoko kubuda panguva inochonekwa Obert Mpofu defies ED Mnangagwa panguva ino achonekwa kunzi Otsika Madziro aiwa pane reshuffles akaitika rori subscribe like on the bell kuti ipina ono mobuda nyika muchenzi. Mpofu was fired from the party's secretary general post and reassigned to the less influential portfolio of Secretary for ICT after a heated Politburo meeting that embarrassed Mnangagwa in front of his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, has continued to issue official party correspondence under the powerful title of Secretary General. Two letters written 25 September 2025 exposed the widening rift. One bearing Mpofu's signature confirmed the conferment of Liberation Hero status on the late comrade John Goa. The other, signed by Mudenda, announced a state-assisted funeral for Comrade Bahongiwe Sikonjwa. Both men used the title Secretary General, deepening confusion over who actually controls ZANU-PF's administration. Mnangagwa had announced Mpofu's demotion this week in a broader reshuffle designed to weaken Chiwenga's factional grip. Mudenda, a long-time Mnangagwa ally, was elevated to the post of Secretary General, while Patrick Namasa and Ziyambi were strategically positioned to consolidate the president's loyalists. But Mpofu continued use of the title has sent a clear signal. He will not go quietly as one of Chiwenga's strongest allies. His defiance is seen as a direct challenge to Mnangagwa's authority and a show of solidarity with the vice president's camp. The open defiance comes at a time when tension in ZANU-PF has reached dangerous levels. Chiwenga's presentation of an explosive anti-corruption dossier targeting Mnangagwa's allies, including business tycoon Kudakwa Chitagure, has shaken the ruling party to its core. Intelligence warnings reportedly forced Mnangagwa to cancel his planned trip to the United Nations General Assembly, fearing his camp could be crippled in his absence. Though my developments are repo, tudze mafunguro enyu munoti pamusoro pechitiko chinokuwa kunzi aiwa Obert Mpofu odifaya mutungamiri wenyika. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so unsubscribe or like, share on the bell icon.